You're stuck in traffic, and you can't wait to get home to watch that weekend's game on your outdoor TV. You finally arrive, but as you're unwinding, you realize your old TV is struggling to produce vibrant colors under the sun's harsh glare. That's when the Sylvox 65-inch outdoor steps in, delivering picture quality so stunning, it feels like a breath of fresh air. This smart TV is designed for outdoor entertainment, with Sylvox's 5th-generation high-performance LED panel and 4K Ultra HD resolution that makes every moment feel more immersive. Plus, its 700 nits of brightness ensures you can enjoy the game without worrying about washed-out colors or blown-out highlights. Whether you're in your backyard or on a patio, this TV brings the excitement to life. But what really sets the Sylvox 65-inch outdoor apart is its weatherproof design, complete with IP56 waterproofing, an IP66 waterproof remote, mist resistance, sun-proof design, high brightness, and anti-scratch body. Cleaning up after your outdoor adventures just got a whole lot easier. You can toss that old TV in the garage and get ready to enjoy the great outdoors. With dual 10W waterproof speakers, you'll be singing along to your favorite tunes in no time, perfect for backyard gatherings or daily viewing sessions. And with optimized Sylvox Google TV, this smart TV offers a seamless experience for downloading apps, games, social media, and more. It's like having the whole entertainment world at your fingertips. But don't just take our word for it. Once people try the Sylvox 65-inch outdoor, they stop reaching for their old one. This isn't just a TV, it's an upgrade to your outdoor lifestyle. By investing in this healthier lifestyle, you'll be saving long-term money and time, not to mention creating unforgettable memories with friends and family. Now, imagine using the Sylvox 65-inch outdoor tomorrow morning as you fire up your coffee maker. The stunning picture quality will transport you to a whole new world of relaxation. The outdoor smart TV experience is all about elevating your day, making every moment feel like a vacation from the ordinary. Sound familiar? Who doesn't want that? By getting the Sylvox 65-inch outdoor, you'll be upgrading your entertainment game and creating a healthier lifestyle for years to come. Don't settle for anything less. Click the link below to experience it for yourself.